Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the keyframe feature in InShot, one of the coolest tools to create dynamic professional looking videos. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap on to the video option and choose one video that you want to edit. Now to add the keyframe, tap on to the video track like this, and here you can find there is a diamond plus button right here. Simply tap on it. Now here you can find the keyframe has been added to your video. Now you can use the keyframe like this and add it to your videos and add animations, zoom ins and pans to your videos. And that's how you use the keyframe feature in InShot. It's a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.